MeghalayaPost.news.
Haka question awo jong darbar bang tingka mentaka singiu ba Charles Marngar lashim kalat ban bu jingkli yang menteri ketenat kakot kakia na kabenta banwa jingtip halor ka jingshim kia ka sarkar ban kentiu kerdan no ya ka Mawrong Health Sub Center haba jubab ya ka jingkli ba Charles Marngar ku memle ka mahoti u menteri ketenat kakot kakia ba wailat miki shala ula pentip haka darbar ba ka kam ban kentiu kerdan ya ka Mawrong Health Sub Center kalaya syakman haba jubab ru ka jingkli ba wailat miki shala ula ong ba ka sarkar kadang sudap lut ban penbet ya ki badon kam barshan kitu ki Health Sub Center ki baladon kamban kentiu kurdan on supply but on kentiu kurdan no syaka PHC halor kani kubor ka babha ka ba ajin kemannya hukum nong mikmat nama hati baru ka jing kemannya ki pajba ka than Mawrong uba Charles Marngar la ka jing kublai ka bakar pang yaw menteri ka tenat ka koit ka khia halor ka jing penpau ba shan kin supply no hadian bala kentiu kurdan ya ka Mawrong Health Sub Center syaka PHC.
Honorable Chairman, sir, reply to question number 112. A, sir. Sir, there are 9 sub-center being upgraded to PHC. B, sir, the process for upgradation of Mawrong sub-center is underway.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I'm very happy to know that the process for upgradation of Mawrong sub-center to PHC is underway. May I know from the Honorable Minister how long it will take for the inauguration and what is the timeline, Mr. Chairman, sir?
Honorable Chairman, sir. So, as I have replied in B, the process for upgradation is underway. So, for the time being, sir, we have to examine according to the guideline, according to IPHS norms. So, definitely, sir, we'll check, and if everything is okay, then we'll try to speed up the matter as soon as possible.
MeghalayaPost.news.